What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a really quick and easy way to make your YouTube channel art. So you want to go to the create a new page in Photoshop and then put in the dimensions 2560 by 1440. Those are the dimensions that YouTube is looking for when making the channel art. Then it brings you to this blank canvas. So once you're here, you want to go to Google and then just search channel art template. So once you've done that, go to images and it gives you a bunch of different template options. So I like to click on the one that's fourth over and then copy image and then just paste it into Photoshop. Right here it's on the canvas. And then after you do that, you want to go down to this rectangle tool right here and then create your own rectangle over the templated one so then it creates its own layer. So once you have done that, then you're able to go to Google again and then just search whatever background you want. For this, I'm going to do a red background. And make sure you put HD at the end of it. And I like red backgrounds because they seem to pop a lot and just they look good in channel art. But I'm just going to pick a random one. So I'm going to go with this one right here. And then you want to copy the image and once again, paste it into your Photoshop page. And you want to make it fit the canvas. Then press enter. So once you have done that, another thing you want to make sure you do is go to your layers panel, bring the rectangle layer in front of the background layer you just put in. So once you have done that, one thing I like to do is go to this eyedropper tool over here and then kind of sample one of the red colors. So then you go to your text color and it will type that same color red. So I'm just going to do channel art and you can change the font and everything right over here. But I actually like this font that it shows right there. So I'm going to keep that. And if you hit control, it'll bring up this box. You can make the font bigger or however you want. Just make sure you don't make it too big or else it won't fit on the mobile section of your channel art when someone's viewing your page. So once you have the text written in this rectangle, I like to actually get rid of the rectangle box because when you are in YouTube and someone's viewing your channel, all they'll be able to see is this black background. They won't be able to see the background that you actually put up. They'll just be able to see this rectangle right there. So I like to just drag that rectangle to the trash, and now you have the background there with the words and the artwork over it. And since it kind of blends in a little bit, this is where you can kind of do whatever you want, mess with it a lot, but you want to make sure you're back to the channel art or your wording layer, and then go to something like outer glow, and it'll make it pop a little bit more. You can, mess with it a whole bunch. And then I'm not going to go into details of making it look good. I'm just showing you guys a quick, easy thing. But you can do a whole bunch of stuff, from there. And then you go to File, Export. And I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Untitled 8 is fine. So you save it. And then you want to go back to Google and then go to YouTube. And then go to your channel. And then on the top right, you'll click on a little camera button, then select a photo from your computer. And once you've done that, you just find your channel art in here. So open. And as you can see, it shows a little preview of what that channel art will look like before you save it. So this will how it'll look on a desktop, a TV, and then your mobile phone. As you can see, mine was a little too big for the mobile phone. So you would want to go back into Photoshop and resize it, make it a little bit smaller. So on the phone, everyone will be able to see it just fine. And once you're satisfied with that, you just click select. And it's currently switching it right now. And there you go. It's that easy. It's very easy to make channel art. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll be doing plenty more tutorials, a lot more within Photoshop and how to use the tools and everything. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.